Welcome to our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. A is for ant, B is for bird, C is for cherry, D is for doctor, E is for envelope, F is for fire, G is for gifts, H is for house, I is for iceberg, J is for jump, K is for kettle, L is for lips, M is for mouse, N is for neck, O is for octopus, P is for pineapple, Q is for question mark, R is for rocket, S is for sunflower, T is for tea, U is for U-turn, V is for vacuum cleaner, W is for watch, X is for X-ray, Y is for yuck, Z is for zero. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.